everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Fab Bag for November month. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly open it and see what all is there. But before that, let me tell you the price for a monthly subscription. Price for a monthly subscription is 599 rupees. And as always, as you know, I always have a coupon for you guys. So yes, I have a coupon for you. The coupon is Ritu10, and by using this, you will save 10% on 3 months, 6 months, and on yearly subscription. Don't worry, I will be mentioning everything in the description box. And now let's quickly open the box and see what all is there. So this is the inside pouch. It's beautiful gold with a black. So black and gold is the pouch for November month. And you know the quality of Fab Bag. Their bags are quite great. So yes, quite useful, good quality bags. I like them. Now let's open it and see what all is there. So first of all, I'm going to start with the cards. So this one is the info card. The other one is the contest card. As always, it says you just have to click a picture of your November Fab Bag and you can 10 winners will be there. I will be mentioning the detail in the description box. Now, let's move on with this. This is the info card. As you know, this is the November Fab Bag. The theme for this month is High Light November Fab Bag. And this month we have choices for 3 different products. Yes, I will be telling you. Let's start with the first one. The first one is by Sugar. It's the Glow and Behold Jelly Highlighter. It has different shades. I have chosen 02. Peach Pioneer is the name. It's a full-size product, of course. The price for this one is 499 rupees. Let me open it and show you. So this is how it looks. Let's open it and show it. Okay, so this has this jelly, or you can say liquidy formulation, because yes, the name is jelly itself. And this is how this beautiful highlighter is, and you can just see the shimmer here. Beautiful shine. Wow, really pretty. So 599. Oh, okay, 499 is the price, full size product, and you have choices for this one. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is a lipstick, and this is by Teen and Teen Color Life Non-Transfer Lipstick. This is how it looks. Yes, you have choices in this as well. So I have chosen 06, which is brick wine shade. This is how it looks. The price for this one is 290 rupees. Full size product, of course. You have different color options, but I have chosen 06. Let me show you the shade. Okay, so this is how it looks, and it's a beautiful shade, let me tell you. Perfect for a special occasion, or let's say wedding season. So really pretty shade. I love it. Of course, that's why I have chosen this one. So you have different shade choices. You can pick the shade as per your choice. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by Bio Blush. It's a cup of coffee. It's a clay face mask. It says it wakes up your tired skin. 180 is the price. The manufacturer of October 2020, best before 18 months from the manufacturing date. And the ingredient list is quite interesting, you can say. It has kaolin clay, bentonite clay, chocolate clay, glycerine, coffee powder, water, and some preservatives out there. So yes, this is the first time I'll be using something from Bio Blush. So yes, looking forward for this one. Again, the full size product, I guess. Okay, this is 185 rupees for 20 grams. Okay, so 20 grams for 185 rupees. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by Bysur India Cherry Blossom Face Toner Mist. Okay, this is again a new brand for me. I have never used any product from this brand. So it's a looks nice because it has some pink packaging. Yes, I love it. A plastic bottle, spray bottle, of course. So yes, transparent plastic bottle. Bysur Cherry Blossom Face Toner and Mist. Yes, definitely want to try it. 50 ml is the quantity. The price for this one is 349 rupees. And yeah, let me use it and I'll tell you more about it. Now moving on to the last product, which is the bonus product, and in this you have choices. I have chosen this one because yes, St. Evans is a really great brand. You can say I've used their product, and in fact this tea tree body wash, it's just very nice, like it's amazing. So yes, that's why I've chosen this. The price for this one is 140 rupees, I guess. Okay, 149 rupees is the price for 40 gram, and it has tea tree oil, eucalyptus oil, and peppermint oil. It is anti-odor, antibacterial, sulfate free. Yes, I love this one. That's why I've chosen this. So yes, this is the last product in the Fab Bag for November month. I absolutely loved it. Why? Because it's just perfect for November month, you can say, because in November there are lots of festivals and of course wedding season is there. So yes, highlighter is there, lip shade is there, then clay mask is there, then of course a body wash is there. So yes, overall I love this one, and if you like this, of course you know what to do. Just go to the description box, click on the link and buy our Fab Bag for November month. So yeah, that's all about Fab Bag. Before ending the video, let me wish all of you a very happy and safe Diwali, plus happy Govardhan Puja as well. Have a great time with your family, enjoy to the fullest and have a blast. So yeah, that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.